What did you just do?
I don't want to say something because it's enough.
So, we need to go to our hostel to come to the northeast line. Hey guys, so it's day 3 of being here in Singapore, and Sevgi and I were actually going to this local place where they serve like local Singapore breakfast, and I think they have like a lot of franchise of this everywhere. I will show you guys the actual store, the actual bakery shop. I think it's not a bakery shop, but yeah.
Hi, my name is Priyanka and I am a traveler. Let me take you in this journey with me as I travel around my home country and around the world.
Guys, taking reels for you is a real thing. It's a real process. We do it. We take it very, very seriously.
I think I have a good photo.
Okay.
Let me show first, then let me look first.
You check once, do both at the same time.
Okay.
Just give me a little bit because I'm not
Yeah,
like,
you can
good
bite.
with.
You can get a bite and then
Yeah.
otherwise if you don't like it.
Okay. I'm not good with coconut, so let's do it, guys. Hey guys, so I just came back from breakfast. My friend Sefki, she is on the beach, and I am actually heading towards Universal Studios today, so I'll be catching her after I go to Universal Studios, maybe do some rides, and then head to the beach. Right now I'm heading towards the MRT. I need to take the train to Harbourfront, and then from there I need to take another train to Sentosa Island. So yeah, and it's already 12:30, so the park has already opened up. It opens up at like 12, and I'm really excited to go and see Universal Studios. Let's go. And they do tell you to put your mask on as well, so yeah. The station that I'm going towards first is Bottom Park, and then from there I change the metro line to Harbour Park, and then I do have to buy a few stuff there, and after that we go to Sentosa. So let's go. Hey guys, so update. Universal, I was supposed to go to Universal Studios today, but apparently it's closed and it only opens up from like Wednesday to Sunday, and today is Monday, so I missed it. Thankfully I'm here till like Friday, so I'm gonna go a day after. And so my initial plan was to go to Universal and then meet my friend here at Sentosa Beach, but that got cancelled, so I'm here at the beach. This is called the Palawan Beach, which is like near the Sentosa Beach. I took the express from Harbour Port to the Sentosa Island, and now I think it looks like it's gonna be just a chilled day at the beach, although it's about to rain, which is kind of a bummer, but I'm like, okay, I'm not taking it hard way. So you'll see some cool beach shots and me probably not drowning, hopefully. Let's see.
thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Guys, so it was a very beautiful day at the beach, even though the Universal Studios got canceled. I hopefully will make it another day if I get the time. Sally and I are now gonna do a lot of awesome things, which we will show you guys. So you are in it for a lot of fun. So let's go. What did you just do?
I don't want to say something because it's enough.
So we get our hostel to come to the northeast line. we got off from like Harborfront from this metro, and then we got into this one, and then we went to the other station. We needed to change, and then we came. She's like, "Oh, these are my shoes." And then we're back at where we started. So we just took a full circle.
Now the circle is complete, we can go.
We're just like, we're waiting for it to like get off at Chinatown. But then, what do you call that? The guy who's on inside the TT Master. The TT Master.
Ah, yes.
The TT Master is like, hello. What the fuck's happening?
Oh my god.
Oh god. We're back to where we started. Hey guys, welcome back. So, okay. So as you know, I went to the beach today, and now look where I am. I'm in Chinatown. Love this. Love this. And we are gonna explore Chinatown, maybe get some street food if we find some, because we are hungry. And oh my goodness, this is such a good Instagram spot. Yeah, I would definitely like take pictures here. Okay. So I'm here at Marina Bay Sands, and there are like all these designer brands: Alexander McQueen, Chanel, Gucci, Fred. And this girl is like dead. It's like, oh my god, they're like so beautiful.
And it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie when I still want you closer. I had longing for closure. And
What did we do? We went to Sky Park.
Yes.
We made it. We had like ginger ale and cranberry juice. So if you want to know what it feels like to live the luxurious life,
The high life.
the high life, even their freaking elevator smells so good.
Than most of our perfumes.
Yes, that's true. That's so sad.
That's fucking sad, but that's the reality.
Yeah.
So
My ears.
you gotta like press it. But like, yeah, that's crazy how life is. And today was a very crazy day. We had a lot of fun. And I'm never gonna forget this. I'm never gonna forget my friend Debbie.
Yes, we had a really nice time together.
It's so sad that she's leaving tomorrow, but I hope that she has an amazing, amazing 6 weeks of her life. And I hope she comes to Nepal.
Yeah, I will come. I will come to Japan.
Yes, yes.
So we will see each other again.
You better. Okay guys, I think we're gonna log off now. See you tomorrow. Bye.